Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Teclast Chewy Jumper. Most likely, you already heard about these brands, because they release very interesting laptops. In this video, we want to talk about the new product from Teclast company. New laptop is called Teclast F7 Plus. Despite its affordable price, about $380, it offers very good features such as ultra-thin metal body, 14-inch Full HD IPS display, 8GB of RAM and 128GB of SSD, and Intel 8th generation Gemini Lake processor. So let's make first review of new laptop. I will leave the link in description where you can buy it cheaper. By the way, we have already made review of Teclast F7. The link to this video will also be in description. One of the main features of Teclast F7 Plus is light and thin metal body. This is 14-inch laptop, so it has quite compact dimensions. The manufacturer says about 1.5 kg of weight and 7 mm of thickness. Can you imagine this? I'm very surprised. The laptop comes in a single color option, space gray. There is Teclast logo on cover and it is glowing. I don't know why you need it, but the Chinese company is very proud of this. If we talk about display, it has diagonal of 14 inches and Full HD resolution, 1920 by 1080 pixels. This is IPS panel, so the contrast, brightness and viewing angles should be okay. Also, the laptop has 8mm narrow bezel design. The smartphones get rid of bezels around the screen, and soon we will have bezel-less laptops. The keyboard here is full-sized, 21mm. Teclast F7 Plus is budget laptop, but it has backlit keyboard. Amazing! As for connectors, there are mini HDMI, 2 ports USB 3.0, 3.5mm audio jack and micro SD slot. Teclast F7 Plus is powered by Intel 8th generation Gemini Lake and 3100 processor with 2.4 GHz and Intel UHD graphics 600 GPU. The basic model comes with 8GB of RAM and there is 128GB of SSD memory, but you can expand it using the slot on the back. Also, you can use microSD memory cards. The manufacturer says that this laptop is for office production and entertainment. You can watch videos in 4K at 60 FPS, play games and even video editing. Of course, the laptop runs on Windows 10 operating system with Edge browser and Cortana. And finally, let's talk about battery. Teclast F7 Plus is equipped with 38Wh battery and it will provide up to 8 hours of max use. Very good result for Ultrabook. So it was first look on laptop Teclast F7 Plus. Right now I can say it is much better than Teclast F7. The laptop hasn't gone on sale yet, but it looks very promising. For only $380 you will get 14-inch Full HD laptop with thin metal body, good performance, a lot of memory and even backlit keyboard. It is a good deal. Thanks for watching. In description you can find link where to buy Teclast F7 Plus cheaper. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.